it is time to calibrate my new sprayer. Alright guys, so just finished calibrating my sprayer. I filled 2 gallons up in my backpack sprayer and see how long it actually takes to get that water out. Because of my modifications that I did to it, it's going to be a little bit different than what came with my Petra sprayer. So it took 5.5 minutes to empty 2 gallons of water. What I have in my front yard is 2,000 square feet. So I know it's going to take me about 5.5 minutes to make sure everything is down in my front yard, and we'll be good to go. If there's a better way, let me know in the comments. All right, that's my calibration, and let's get back to it. All right guys, again, calibrating sprayer is done, and now I'm about to get my quick mow in slash, I guess you'd call it a scalp, but I'm leaving my mower at the lowest setting right now. I'm gonna go back over the lawn, the side piece over here, my side back there, and we'll see if we get to my backyard today. But and then hopefully right after I get done mowing and picking up anything that's loose, anything that's dead on the lawn, I'm gonna go back through and I'm gonna spray my Prodiamine and my image, so hang tight. You know, it is time to throw down some pre-emergent. All right guys, so right off the bat, obviously I'm using a scale just like this. I'm not using my bathroom scale anymore to measure anything, especially when it comes to Prodiamine. I really want to be exact with this. I don't want to put too much down. I don't want to not put enough down. I want it to be exact the best I can, and that's exactly what I need. And also what I'll be mixing with it as well is some image, which kills, and that says kills a whole bunch. That says dollarweed, onion bluegrass, wild onion, or wild garlic, and there's tons more. This one will treat 6,000 square feet. Alright guys, just showed you a little bit because I wasn't wearing my PPE and no one else needs to know about that. But now I'm done. We got to clean out our sprayer. Help me with that. At least turn on the water. Is my son Mason. Yeah, so I'm going to show him everything on that. So he likes to watch. So other than that, clean it up and you'll see that, and then I'm gonna wrap it up. All right guys, see you later. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and didn't record it, but I did want to say you have to clean out your sprayer. Again, I was gonna do that with my Petra, my brand new sprayer, but I was excited about the modifications, and I'll show you the modifications right now. All right guys, so here is my original setup for my Petra LT Pro 2.0. Now, there's nothing wrong with this setup whatsoever. I think if I kept this setup the way it is right now, the one thing I would change would just be the tips. Put some good nozzles in there and some tips. Nozzles and tips, or whatever you want to call them, just put them in there. I think your handle's fine. I think the setup is fine. It's just your tips. Get some good tips. Go into business with the tip manufacturer. But that's just my tip for the tips. Sean. Back to the original setup. So again, guys, just your nice little basic handle. Pretty sweet. Lock it right there. I mean, it works. And then your wand with your tips and your extension for the wand. Let's move on to what I did with the help of Sean from Sean's Endless Lawn, who helped him with the Lawn Whisperer, and Jimmy Lewis, and I'm sure there's tons of people out there that have already done this. So let's get to it. and it works amazing, and it's great. And right off the bat, it's just so much better. I love the handle. It's so comfortable. I do love the handle. I don't have a problem with that. This setup for the Petra LT Pro 2.0 was a little difficult, but I was able to get it on. Check out Sean from Sean's Midwest Lawn, or go to Jimmy Lewis, or go to the Lawn Whisperer, and maybe they'll have those parts just like Sean did. But I got mine from Sean's Midwest Lawn on Instagram, and got the 17-inch wand with my hookup here. Oh yeah, got my T-Jet and then an air induction T-Jet. So obviously I did it twice. I don't want to have to unscrew to put in a new T-Jet. I just want to unhook, and I'll show you how I do that right now. It's so easy, and it's so much better than even my Echo. So hang on. All right guys, so again, easy setup. Look at that. Look at that sweetness. But easy setup, quick release, and we go, and boom. Let me be clear, when you're working with Prodiamine and you're working with any kind of chemicals like that, wear your PPE. Don't be like me. Again, this is not a how-to. This is my channel. This is what I'm doing, and I'm taking the risk, so you shouldn't. Wear your PPE. And plus, I can't find my PPE. But just be careful. If you're gonna, not even, just wear your PPE, guys. But anyway, I'll see you later. That's it.